So how can you check if the iPhone is new or refurbished? So let me guide you through it and show you how you could figure it out. If it's your first time on this channel on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. Anyways, you can open up your settings, and then when you proceed to the general section, you will have the ability to find the about, and in there you have the ability to see all of the information about your phone upon clicking on, the about. All of it shows up, and what we are interested in is the model number. And it might not say much, like obviously you can click on it, it switches between the long one to a shorter one, but we are interested in the long string of letters and numbers. And this is going to tell us the information about the phone, if it's a refurbished or not. Because if it starts with the M, it means that the phone is brand new. But there might be also some other letters. So if it starts with something else, it's likely either a replaced device, meaning that something has happened to it and it has been replaced, and it might also be a refurbished model. So if it starts with an M, then it means that it's just like the original device made by Apple and bought online, or anywhere else from the Apple store. But if it's a official refurbished by Apple or by carrier, then it's going to be likely having the N as the beginning, or even other letter, depends on the situation. But that's how you can know about it. So I really hope that I was able to help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you in the next videos and tutorials like this one.